In this tutorial, we show you how we repaired a Samsung S23 Ultra. We replaced the display without a frame, bonding the display directly onto the phone's frame. First, we heat the phone on an electric hot plate to 80 degrees Celsius to soften the adhesive. Then we remove the back cover. Next, we remove all the screws and all the components from the motherboard. After removing all the screws and components, we heat the display again very well and remove the old display from the phone's frame. Then we install the new display and secure it with clamps until the adhesive bonds. After 20 minutes, we remove the clamps and reinstall the components back into the phone. Help us continue making tutorials like this with a comment. We repair any device, Fresh Phone Romania.